Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Thanksgiving get rid of me / tutorial. So first I'm going in with my NYX Eyeshadow Base, and then I'm going to go in with my Mercier loose setting powder just to set the eyeshadow base. And then I'm going to go into my Morphe 35F palette and use that reddish brown shade at the top and just put that all over the lid. It's going to act kind of like a transition color. And then I'm going to go in with that red color from the Morphe 35W palette and put that above my crease and just blend that out. Then I'm going to go in with the brown and put that in my crease, and afterwards I'm going to blend it out. And I'm also going to put it on the inner and outer corners of my eye to create like the halo eye effect. So I'm going to spray my brush, and I'm going to use the goldish color from the Morphe 35F palette and put that just in the center of my lid up until my crease. And I do kind of go overboard, so I just fix it with the brown color that I used in my crease. So I added my eyeliner off camera, and I'm just smoking out the lower lash line using the brown and the red color, and also using the gold just for like the inner parts of my eye. Now, I didn't do an inner corner highlight today, and this look is a no lashes look, just so it's easy. So I went in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer and put that all over my face. It actually makes my face really smooth. It might be my new favorite primer. And then for foundation, I actually use my Sephora brand foundation. I'll put the color in the description box. I actually quite like it. It's a good color match for me compared to what I used to use before. So I'm just gonna blend it out soon with my beauty blender. And I made it damp earlier on before I made the video. To highlight, I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. You'll see this in just a second. And I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier the translucent powder to set my under eyes. And then I'm also gonna highlight the bridge of my nose and my chin. I don't highlight my forehead anymore. I find that it looks kind of weird. I'm just blending it all out with my beauty blender. I do use a different beauty blender to set my concealer just so that it doesn't make it hard for me to blend things out. And the mascara I'm using, because I forgot to do it, is the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Angel mascara. I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me. So I really like this mascara. I think it's my new favorite. It makes my lashes look really, really nice. And like I mentioned earlier, this look is a no false eyelashes look. To contour my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany. And so I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones and my forehead. First, I use this contouring brush from e.l.f., but I find that it makes the contour too harsh, so I go in with my beauty blender just to soften it up. Let me know if you want me to do more voiceovers, because I don't know if they are good or not. So yeah. Oh, and this is also a collab with one of the girls from The Real Women of YouTube. I'll leave her video in the description below and a link to her channel in the description below. Then I'm gonna highlight with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sundipped Glow Kit in the color Tourmaline. Highlight my cheeks, my nose, my brows. I also highlighted my Cupid's bow. And so I'm going in with my Kylie Lip Kit in Leo. I got it when it came out as part of her birthday collection. It's weird, it was more expensive in the birthday collection than it was when she released it again. And to set up my makeup, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And a spray that I love in my face. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!